This will be a very quick and fairly straightforward tutorial for you here today. I'm going to show you how to go over the Rode Links. Okay, so when you open the box, everything should be packed quite neatly inside. You should find a transmitter, a receiver, a auxiliary connection cable, a charger, but we don't need to worry about that, and your lav mic. Put the box aside for now. So really quickly, I'm going to show you the lav mic. So that's it in there. Be careful of this because this wire is delicate. That's your lav mic right there. Please be delicate with these. You get a little clip, so you can clip it on to clothing or even hair. I've seen that done before as well. See, for longer hair, clip onto the hair and it keeps it hidden as well. Fun fact. If you're recording for a short movie or project, I would recommend trying to hide the lav. If you get somebody in a suit or something, you can hide it just underneath the collar. Females behind the hair is often quite a common place to hide it. If you're recording something like a documentary, you can have the lav shown, but I would have it wrapped underneath like that. So it's clipped on there so that minimal of it is shown. I have seen before students literally asking the subject to hold the lav like that while they talk, or maybe even hold an NTG too. Don't do that, it is very unprofessional. You would not want your think of it, if you're watching a documentary on Netflix, you don't see the subject holding the microphone, okay? Just, yeah, don't be dumb about it, but I have seen that before and it's ridiculous. Anyway, lav mic, hide it if you're doing a short film, whatever. If it's documentary, you can show it, but you know, conceal it as much as you can. So you can tell, transmitter, TX, receiver, RX. Your receiver also has this at the bottom. This is to connect at the top of your camera. Very first thing, in both of them, you've got a little button part down there. This can be a little bit tough, but if you push that in, push it in and out the way, it'll slide down. You'll see two little buttons up here. Push it in and slide it out again. There's your battery compartment if it runs out of battery, which the transmitter is about to, so that's going to be quick. If you think that your audio is a little bit too high, and we'll speak about how you can see your levels in a minute, you can go in here and you can set a pad on your input. If the two are refusing to connect, you can also press and hold the red button together, but usually they connect a-okay. So you can set that up and mount it on top of your camera, and that's where you use this. The bit with the screw goes in there, you screw it on to secure, and you plug that into your microphone port on the camera. That'll then, instead of using the camera audio, that'll then take the audio coming from the transmitter and use that audio instead. So you put that on top of the camera, and this bit here, you use the lav mic, plug it in there, you tighten it up, don't tighten it too much because then it'll be impossible to get off. You hide that usually in the back of your subject. You bring the lav up and out through or whatever you want to do with the lav. I'm going to take it off now, just make it a little bit easier to see. Again, same deal in here. If I push the button in, bring it down. First click, you've got your pads and your force link button. Press that again, pull it down, batteries. Just going to screw this off as well. So, receiver, transmitter. The receiver also has a little bit of a LCD window. The transmitter doesn't, it just has your channel select. Works like a radio. So if we power them both on, this one would be quick again, this one here's running out of battery. So you'll see a sort of Wi-Fi symbol, that's him trying to connect. Once it's connected, it'll then turn into a sort of rectangle. There you are, the rectangle there. In fact, if I plug this back in, you'll see that this is coming up with 1 bar. So that's when I'm talking, that's not too bad. You can get it closer, and you get 2 bars. Sometimes if I talk louder, you'll get 3 bars. maybe not. So that's how you check your audio level. And again, as soon as you hit record in the camera, that'll start to record for you. If it isn't, it should be in channel 3. If it isn't, then you just select channel and you scroll through until we get it. If you don't want audio coming out from this, then you get a mute button there as well. There's no settings on this. The only thing that's on this is your channel, which comes up. It tells you what channel it's trying to connect to when it first powers on. And honestly, that is it for this. It's very basic. It's really a turn on and go situation. And my cat's back. So yeah, I would use these as much as you can if you're using documentaries or if you're doing outdoor filming. I would use this on your subjects as much as possible. Similar to the zooms, they don't chew batteries as much, but carry some spare AA's and get ready for a change of battery as needed. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.